Let's talk about the kettlebell swing. There's so many ways to do a kettlebell swing. This is how I learned. This is how I teach my clients. And this is what we really try to promote when we're swinging the kettlebell. It's all about being fluid with it. You don't want to be crazily aggressive, but you want to tame it. You want to own it. You want to make sure that the kettlebell understands that you're the boss, right? Because this weight will take you. If you're not grounded, if your feet aren't grounded into the floor, it's going to take you right back that way. So I want to make sure that I'm in the starting position here. My feet are about shoulder width apart. I'm going to hinge at my hip. I'm not going to squat. The kettlebell swing is not a squat. It's a hinge movement. It's a powerful movement. It's a movement with momentum, but you have to control the momentum and you have to make sure that it understands that you're in charge. So I like to start with it out in front. My arms are locked. If you have a slight bend in your arm, that's fine. No one's gonna dock you a point. There's not gonna be anybody out there that's going, you're doing this wrong. As long as you understand that this movement comes from your butt, your hamstrings, even your low back, your abs, all this area. Your low back is still part of your core. It's still part of your core musculature. I want to swing this, so I'm gonna get aggressive with this. Let me show you a few. So if you hear me breathing, I'm exhaling, I'm inhaling. Exhale, inhale. You will see different variations. You will see people get more aggressive with that movement. I don't need very much with this kettlebell. It's a 53-pound kettlebell. If I had a 90-pound kettlebell, you would see the difference. I would have to use a lot more energy to push this weight up. If I'm swinging an 8 kilogram or a 12 kilogram, man, I don't need that much. So you have to adjust. This is all I need for this amount of weight. Because if I'm swinging this for 1 minute, like this, if I'm going crazy for 1 minute, I'm not gonna last. I wanna control this weight with my butt, with my hamstrings. It's all about being fluid with the kettlebell. It's almost like dancing. When you go and you dance, you have a partner with you. If you were out there going crazy like that, they would look at you like, what the heck's going on? It's very fluid. It's a motion. And the same thing goes with the kettlebell. I want to be aggressive enough, and I don't want the kettlebell to fall below my knees. I want to keep it in line. I want this, if I was hiking a football, an American football, I would go back this way. My hamstrings, my glutes, everything's like this. If I come down lower, then I change up the kettlebell. But like I said before, there's so many different variations. I can take this kettlebell overhead if I wanted to and play with it that way. I can take it up. You will see people squatting with it. Who cares? What works best for you? If you're watching this video, flat back, glutes, hamstrings, bring that weight up. That's where you start. Then you can build from there. There's so many different variations. There's hand-to-hand swings, two-handed swings, above the head swings. If you notice the kettlebell, it was made for only one hand. It wasn't made to put both your hands in here. They both don't fit. It was made to do this, to do this, to do this. That's what it was designed for. Just remember, practice, have fun with the kettlebell, enjoy the journey. There's so many things that you can do with it. Don't just get so caught up with one movement. There's so many things. Master this first, get better at the kettlebell swing. Practice, set a timer for 30 seconds. How many great swings can I get? Do I feel it in my low back? Do I feel it more in my glutes and my hamstrings? It's not an isolation exercise. It's not like a bicep curl. You're not just gonna feel it here. You're gonna feel it everywhere, your whole body. Breathe, breathe, breathe. You will see some people do it barefoot. That's fine. They like to stay more grounded to the floor. I don't really like to go barefoot. I have, but I prefer wearing shoes. That's just me. Practice it, try it, see what you think. Set a timer, 30 seconds to a minute, 3-4 times. Give it a go. I hope you like this. Hope it helps you.